What is up, YouTube land? This is Woody Racing coming back at you from Birmingham, Alabama. I have a confession to make. I'm a little late. The most recent video that I uploaded was, I'm not going to sugarcoat this, 5 months ago, talking about how I'm going to purchase a new motorcycle and I'm going to get back into the swing of things, and it took a lot longer than I'd anticipated. But as you see, I am on a motorcycle. I actually did it. It just took me a while. So we're going to go for a quick spin. I'm going to tell you all about it. All right, now that we are on the road, I can tell you a little bit about my bike. I was looking at some pre-owned, like, you know, first generation SV650s with carburetors and, you know, things like that, and just some inexpensive bike. As you can see, what I went with is a Ducati. Not terribly inexpensive. Now, I mean, this is a 2017 Ducati Monster 797. This is the latest baby monster. Been riding it quite a bit. I commute on it most days when it's not raining or freezing cold. It's usually one or the other around here lately, but I've been enjoying it a lot. It's a great bike. So today I'm headed out to Barber Motorsports Park.
A friend of mine, Kona Coyote on Instagram, my buddy Garrett, he asked me what was going on at Barber today, and I said, you know, I don't know, but I'm off today and I can definitely find out. So that's what we're doing.
There's another motorcyclist. I've seen a ton out already. Oh, is that the new little Rebel? I think that was the new little Rebel. They look like it. They look so much cooler than they did. There's my work. Wave, everybody. What's up? I'm off, yo. So the road that we are approaching right now is a nice, fun, curvy road. Cool, right? Yes, it's very cool. Downside, as you can see in front of me, is a big white van that I suspect is going to ruin, I would say, most of my fun. Maybe not all of my fun, but most of it. Come on, turn. You can do it. Yes, they're turning. Hell yeah, mother. All right, so curvy road, Ducati. Should be a great recipe, right? Guess we're about to find out. I'm not gonna do anything crazy, promise. A few spots on this road that can get a little sketchy. Of course. And we caught a Mustang. And their natural thing of going incredibly slowly and spoiling the fun for everyone. Oh. Yeah, it's actually funny because this time we caught a Mustang going really slowly in the corners. The last time that I came down this road and I had the camera running, I got behind an M3 and I just made jokes about it the whole way. Got to the stop sign and he didn't use his turn signal to turn left, and I just lost my mind because that's the most BMW thing there is not using your turn signal.
Oh my god, did anybody see that? A BMW did not use his turn signal. Who would have ever thought? Like, you know it's gonna happen, you just hate to see it. I mean, you know the BMW drivers have never used turn signals. You get behind one, you just think, hey, maybe this is the guy. It's a driving enthusiast. So clearly, you know, it's a thing that he enjoys doing, but he's just not gonna signal, not gonna do it. Just won't. You know, I'm not mad, I'm just disappointed. Do you even signal, bro? No, you don't. So whoever F80M3 is, hi. So I have a museum pass, so we're just gonna run up to the museum and see exactly what is happening at Barber today. the museum. I actually parked a motorcycle here. I know that you can, just never have. Ooh, I feel cool.
Alright, I figured out what's going on at Barber today. There's some sports car testing, a bunch of 911s, and hey, there's one more. So I'm watching all those go around. Fun times.
All right. Well, here we are at Barber Motorsports Park. They're under a yellow flag right now, so we're not catching a whole lot of actual action. But while they're doing that, check out my new bike. Like I said, this is a 2017 Ducati Monster 797. It's got 75 horsepower, stock at least. I'm sure this exhaust doesn't add a whole lot to that. Also, I hate this exhaust. This came with it. I bought it used. I don't totally know what kind of exhaust it is. I just know I hate it. It doesn't sound the best, and doesn't really look the best for this bike, in my opinion. It had the bar end mirrors pointed down, so they were down here, which I think is stupid. I could not actually see anything out of them, just my arms. So I flipped them around to where they should be. It's got these crappy brake levers, like CRG knockoffs. Kind of junky, but whatever. Best thing I did was add this SP Connect phone holder. It's a small thing, but I use my phone for navigation a lot, so all I have to do is click it in, and it's solid. Just has a little case that has the back to it. That makes a big difference in my daily riding. I do commute on this, so it's great to have that option. But yeah, that's kind of it. I mean, it's nothing that special. It's a great little runaround bike. I could have bought an SV650 that performs just as well, or probably better, for a lot less money, but I just love the look of these. It's just such a gorgeous bike. Great commuter bike. I'm digging it. So that's my bike. Pretty stoked to have it. Glad to be back on a motorcycle. It's been way, way, way too long. Let's also do this while we're here. Show that lovely thing off again. Thank you so much for joining me today. I've got a lot of exciting things coming up on this channel. In a couple weeks, I'm going to be heading to Road Atlanta for the Moto America Superbike races. We're going to have a blast there, and then straight from Road Atlanta, I'm going to be going to Chicago, Illinois for the home opener at Wrigley Field for the Chicago Cubs. When I get back from that, I'm going to be going to Austin, Texas, to COTA for the MotoGP at Circuit of the Americas. I'm really excited about that. That is going to be a fantastic trip. The whole week is just going to be absolutely epic. Yeah, a lot of exciting content coming on this channel, so thank you so much for following along. Hit that like and subscribe button, and adios.